Okay, we're here at the Palace of the Fine Arts here in San Francisco, kung saan nag-shooting si Jadine, si Nadine Lostre and James Reid. Ayan, kasama namin sila ni Juby at si Ma'am April. Yan sila tatlo. Ayan, yan yung mga birds. Look at the columns right there. Palace of the Fine Arts here in San Francisco.